Welcome to Data Unlocked, the podcast where we turn numbers into narratives and analytics into action. Whether you're rocking spreadsheets, crafting stunning dashboards, or engineering data pipelines, today we're diving into the shared DNA of data analytics. We'll explore the tools, scenarios, and activities that define each role, and how they all connect to one goal, making data matter. Let's get into it. Data analytics isn't just one skill or tool, it's a collaborative masterpiece, like an orchestra performing in harmony. Each role plays a distinct part, contributing to the larger goal of transforming data into actionable insights. Let's walk through the roles, their unique strengths, and how they seamlessly blend to drive success. It all begins with the foundation, the spreadsheet specialist. Every orchestra needs a rhythm section, and in data analytics, that rhythm starts with the spreadsheet specialist. These professionals take seemingly chaotic datasets and create meaningful order, setting the stage for everything that follows. Spreadsheet specialists rely on versatile tools that allow them to manipulate, analyze, and organize data with precision. These tools include Excel, Google Sheets, Power Query, and VBA, enabling them to transform raw data into actionable insights quickly. Using these tools, they dive into datasets to clean, structure, and analyze information. Their work is the cornerstone of analytics, ensuring the data is accessible and ready for deeper exploration. For example, imagine a finance team struggling to organize monthly budgets. The spreadsheet specialist steps in to create dynamic forecasting models, automate repetitive calculations, and visualize trends with conditional formatting. To fulfill their role, spreadsheet specialists perform a variety of essential tasks, including but not limited to designing pivot tables to summarize key metrics, automating repetitive tasks with macros and scripts, using conditional formatting to emphasize critical data points. Like the steady beat of a drum, their work ensures the analytics process starts on solid ground. Turning data into a story, the business intelligence analyst. Once the foundation is in place, it's time to add melody and emotion. That's where the business intelligence analyst shines, turning raw numbers into compelling stories that drive decisions. BI analysts rely on powerful visualization and analytics platforms to present data in a clear and impactful way. These tools include Power BI, Tableau, ClickView, SQL, and DAX, giving them the flexibility to create dynamic dashboards and reports. Armed with these tools, BI analysts transform complex datasets into engaging visuals and actionable insights. Their role is to connect data with decision-makers in a way that is both intuitive and compelling. Imagine a sales manager needing to understand why revenue is dropping. The BI analyst steps in, crafting dashboards that show real-time KPIs, highlight underperforming regions, and provide actionable strategies to reverse the trend. To achieve these outcomes, BI analysts focus on key tasks such as building interactive dashboards with intuitive visuals, automating reports to deliver real-time insights, presenting data in ways that resonate with non-technical stakeholders. Their storytelling bridges the gap between raw data and actionable insights, much like a soloist captivating an audience. The backbone of analytics, the data engineer. A melody is only as good as the structure supporting it, and in the analytics orchestra, that structure is built by the data engineer. They ensure data flows smoothly from its source to its destination, ready for analysis. Data engineers rely on a robust set of tools and technologies to design and optimize the data infrastructure. These tools include Apache Airflow, Talend, Snowflake, AWS, and Python for building ETL processes. Additionally, SQL and its variants, MySQL, PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL Server, and Oracle SQL, are integral to querying, managing, and transforming data within databases. Using these tools, data engineers create systems that extract, transform, and load ETL data from various sources into a unified, reliable storage framework. They also design SQL queries and optimize databases to ensure fast and accurate data retrieval. For instance, Imagine a company gathering data from e-commerce platforms, payment systems, and customer support tools. The data engineer not only integrates this data into a central repository but also writes SQL scripts to aggregate and clean the data, ensuring it's ready for analysis. To keep the data ecosystem running smoothly, data engineers focus on essential tasks, including but not limited to building and optimizing ETL pipelines to move and transform data from multiple sources, writing advanced SQL queries to clean, join, and aggregate datasets, implementing data quality checks to ensure accuracy and consistency, designing and maintaining scalable databases using SQL tools like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Snowflake, monitoring and troubleshooting data pipelines to ensure uninterrupted data flow. Their work is like the bass line of analytics, steady, dependable, and essential for the entire orchestration to shine. The visionary innovator, the data scientist. Every orchestra needs a touch of creativity and innovation, and in the analytics world, that role belongs to the data scientist. They push the boundaries of what's possible, uncovering patterns and making predictions that shape the future. Data scientists rely on advanced tools and frameworks to handle vast datasets, build predictive models, and explore AI applications. These tools include Python, with pandas, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, R, and platforms like PyTorch, giving them the power to innovate. Using these tools, data scientists extract insights from complex datasets, solve challenging problems, and predict outcomes that drive strategic decisions. For example, a retail company might seek to predict customer churn. The data scientist uses machine learning algorithms to build a predictive model, identifying at-risk customers and recommending strategies to retain them. To deliver these groundbreaking insights, data scientists engage in activities such as analyzing large datasets to uncover hidden trends, developing and deploying machine learning models to address specific business challenges, translating technical findings into actionable recommendations for stakeholders. Their work is the crescendo of the analytics symphony, bold, imaginative, and transformative. From the precision of the spreadsheet specialist to the innovation of the data scientist, each role is critical. Together, they create a masterpiece where data doesn't just inform, it inspires. From the structured precision of the spreadsheet specialist to the visionary innovation of the data scientist, every role in data analytics contributes to a powerful symphony that drives change and progress. Each role has its unique rhythm, its own melody, but together, they create a masterpiece where data doesn't just inform, it inspires. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into the world of data analytics, make sure to subscribe to this podcast. Don't miss out on future episodes packed with expert insights, tips, and inspiring stories from the data frontier. Hit that follow button, leave a review, and share this episode with your network. Together, let's explore, learn, and lead the way in the ever-evolving world of data analytics.